Hi, this is my Lab 6 submission. So I've implemented the object puller mechanism, which doesn't create and destroy objects. So in this case, we kind of set the object to active and then set it to false. Like for example, when a trigger event happens. So I eventually implemented it for the crates and not the destroyable components. The reason being is that if you actually set active on the destroyable components, like the game object shows as present. However, the graphics are not there. So I eventually ended up only doing for the crates. Yeah, it was more practical that way. So maybe I will go on to the gameplay now. Let me switch on to Unity. Okay, so this is the current gameplay. Yes, you have the box spawn at random locations. I guess it's not so conspicuous after all, but they are spawned at random times at random locations. So it's not just as box and destroyable. So it's kind of more random in this case. Okay, let me go on to the bonus, which involves the singletons. So in this case, I implemented the singleton under this class called main singleton. And essentially just keep tracks of the score as a way of demonstrating the use case. So there are a few parts where we actually do this. So for example, we use it to switch scenes. So for example, after you die in the first scene, you go to the second scene. And for example, when I successfully destroy a destroyable item, it increases the score and updates the score in a text mesh component. So this is how the game looks like. We have two scenes over here in the game project settings. So now you can see the score component. I hit the particular destroyable at +1. Okay, let me die. Okay, so now I'm at game scene 2. You can see the score is being passed and persisted across the game scenes. However, I haven't actually debugged the non-spawning object, and that concludes the lab.